How to fix can't sign in error on CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix can't sign in error on CapCut. Now first and foremost thing what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are connected to the proper internet connection. Make sure that you have proper internet connection, a strong internet connection, and if it doesn't help you might try switching in between your networks. For example, if you are on Wi-Fi you can switch into your mobile network, mobile data, or if you are on mobile data you can try switching into your Wi-Fi network. Now if this doesn't help, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Normally if you aren't updated to the latest version you'll get this glitch or a bug where you won't be able to sign in. So you want to make sure that you're updated. In order to get the app updated you can simply head into your Play Store or App Store on your device and search in for CapCut, and there you want to install the update. However, if you aren't getting the update and if it still says error, then you might want to reset the app. In order to do so, scroll down the notification bar, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner, scroll down until you find the option apps and tap on apps. Once you tap on apps you want to scroll down and head into the CapCut option. And once you open up CapCut, scroll down and head into storage, and then at the bottom you can see clear data and clear cache. You want to simply tap on clear data and you want to tap on delete. Now what this does is this will basically reset your application and remove any glitches or bugs within the app. So this way you can fix can't sign in on CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.